there are things I've learned when looking for a house anywhere, for an apartment. The first things you have to look at is the security. Security is paramount, you guys. Security is very important. Accessibility to things like water. I need that apartment to be having kanjo water. I don't know if it's called kanjo, and borehole water, because I know how kanjo can just disappear. Shopping mall, shopping mall. Let's just say shopping mall. And then the distance from that place to my place of work should not be far. I should not be spending an hour to the office. I should not be stuck in traffic where I sleep for 2 hours. I should not. So those are the things I'm looking at right now while looking for a place to stay. I've already seen one house. It was way above my budget. It was a 1B, way above my budget, but it was in a very, very secure place. Posh environment. It was just, you know what I mean. And then I was thinking of taking that house, only that I was shocked with how expensive and how beautiful that place was. That the lady that was ahead of me, like 5 minutes, she paid for that house, and I felt so bad. I saw another house. Now this one I'll mention because I just didn't like where it was. It was along State House Road. I did not like the apartment. I did not like it. It was very tiny. It was unkempt. I just didn't like it. Also, looking at how much it was going for and the state in which that place was, it didn't match. It did not make sense to me. If they could have gone lower by 10,000, I could have taken it. It just didn't. It didn't work out for me. Also, it was kind of small. It fits a person who is just starting life in the city. I've also seen another house. It's a penthouse, you guys. It's a penthouse, wooden floor. It's a penthouse. I love this place. Now, one thing with me, but I've been told that that place it's not close to public transport. There is also a lot of traffic, which will delay me from getting to the office, but that I don't worry a lot about it. I'm worried about water. So I called them to ask them if there was water, and they mentioned something like it's open from, I don't know which day to which day. It didn't sit well with me, that one, but I liked the penthouse. I liked the environment. The building had a gym. I can finally start working out. Anyway, so today I'm viewing other houses, like 3 of them. I'm going to view to see if they are good. I'm pretty sure this guy now knows what he's doing, so we are going there, and I'm going to take you with me. Let's go view these houses. Let's go see if they are worth it.
No, you're not treating everyone like that. No way you're eating just anyone like that. What a good view, looking at you do what you do. It's worth the wait if it's anything like that. Been a while, but the memories on tap. Kick off your shoes, who's first you choose. I'm giving to. Still know my curves, right? Memory serves right, but I had control. Wanted to keep you in line. With those hands on me, I slip right out of my mind. Keep looking at me, boy. Take time on my knees, whatever you like. 'Cause you're always on mine. Your body on me, boy. Don't make me say please, it's been enough time. I'm your best in your mind. I'm your best in your mind. Boy, you don't hold back if you're all like that. Got me dreaming all night that we'll run it right back. Oh, it's movie making the way. I don't gotta say it. It's not luck, it's fact. You just got it like that. So what's that I'm saying? On my mind like that. Oh, I try behaving, not so patiently waiting. Still know my curves, right? Memory serves right, but I had control. Wanted to keep you in line.
Good morning, guys. This is a continuation of yesterday's video where I went house hunting. I started off with Kilimani. I just thought I'd find a nice apartment in Kilimani. I did not. That place looked like Pipeline. That place looked like Isili. That place looked, oh my god, it felt like I was in Westlands. So my friend Dennis always tells me, V, Kilimani ni Pipeline imeomoka. It's very true, very true. Anyway, I'm not going to talk about the houses I saw in Kilimani, how I met drunk ladies very early in the morning. Why would someone be that drunk? A lady, a really beautiful lady, extremely drunk, like the smell that comes from her mouth when she's speaking. I'm like, yo, you're not even talking to me, but the smell, girl. Anyway, so I went to see a house. I really liked that house, the area, I liked everything about the place. And then I called management because I needed them to send me email where I was going to send, was it management or the caretaker, so that they can send me, so that I can send them my documents, because I needed now to get the contract, to go through the list, to go through everything, the contract, and sign the list. And then they tell me, I'm so sorry, you are a bit late. Someone has already committed. Anyway, we left there. I was with my friend. We walked. You guys, if you know me, you know that when I wake up in the morning, I go straight to the office, come back home. So I don't really walk that much. But yesterday we walked a lot. So right now my legs are hurting. And we are going out there to walk because my friend tells me, if your legs are hurting, you need to walk again. You need to do some exercise so that they don't, I don't know these gym things, but yeah, let's go walking out there, come back, have breakfast, and then we'll think of where to move to. Like, guys, we need to get a new place. We need to get a good place, a beautiful place to move to. I don't know what your opinion is about the new buildings, the new Chinese buildings. I don't know if it's like selling or what. I don't know. Anyway, I'll figure that out mid of next month, because for me, I'm so tired staying here. I'm so tired with this apartment. Anyway, let's get out. Let's go walking. Yeah, let's start the day. I have walked quite a bit, almost 1.5 kilometers. I'm almost 2 kilometers. Now, I'm listening to Lex Friedman podcast. I was listening to So This Is Love, and then I'm like, nah, let's go take it. So I found this really cool place, just walking around. I think I'll turn back when I'm at, when I'm at 2.5 kilometers, I'll turn back, so that in total I could have done 5 kilometers today. I'm feeling good, you guys. Anyway, let's continue the walk. And it's sunny, and I didn't bring any water. I'm back home, you guys, And let me tell you, I'm sweating a lot. I'm sweating. I need to freshen up, prepare something to eat. I'm gonna be making what am I making today? I'm gonna be making just something simple to have. And I cannot be working these and then I order in food, so I'm gonna make myself something to eat. And so yeah, I did how many kilometers? I did 3.73 kilometers. I know. I said I was going to do 5 kilometers, but I've just realized that 5 kilometers is quite a lot. So I did 3.73 kilometers. And when I was coming back home, I found a shortcut and I was like, you know what? Let's take the shortest way home. So I got some fruits yesterday from town when I was coming. So thing is, yesterday I spent time with Maureen and her son, and they had a flu. They had a cold. I don't know if we call a cold or a flu or whatever it's called. They had that, and I got trained on. I do not want that flu coming, but I can feel it. I can feel it crawling in. I do not want that. So we're gonna prepare some ginger shots today, which I'll be taking today, tomorrow, and probably 3-4 days to come, so that we can be safe. We can be safe from that flu. So yeah, that is what it is. So I've already showered. I've made my hair just a little bit for me not to look homeless in my own home. And I'll be making oats. These are the fruits I got yesterday. I have made my breakfast, and it's not really breakfast, it's like a brunch thing because it's past 12. So I made, what is this called? I don't know the name, but I've mixed everything that I had here that seemed like I could mix. I have this kind of fruit. I don't know the name of these fruits. These fruits here, I don't know the name. Pixies, I don't know the name, you guys. So I've mixed that fruit. I have passion fruit. This passion fruit, I don't know. It's the white passion fruit. I have everything. This plate, it has everything. And I like it. Or maybe I'm just hungry.
I sure as fuck can't give up on you. So outside of me putting a pillow in, that's what we do.